Welcome to our channel. Today we how to add family member to UnitedHealthcare plan, member guide step by step clearly. To add a family member to your UnitedHealthcare plan, start by visiting the UnitedHealthcare website. Log into your member account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on the option to create a new one. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section. Look for the Add a Family Member option. Click on this option to begin the process. You will be prompted to enter the new member's personal information. Provide details such as the family member's name, date of birth, and social security number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. After entering the information, select the relationship to the policyholder. Choose the desired coverage option for the new family member. Review any eligibility requirements specific to your plan. Next, submit the application for enrollment. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your application is being processed. Monitor your email for updates regarding the status of the enrollment. If needed, contact customer service for assistance with your application. Once approved, the new family member will be added to your plan. Familiarize yourself with the coverage details for the added member. Keep your account information updated to reflect any changes in your family's circumstances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.